Today I just want to talk to you about something pretty cool. CMMG sent us this 22 conversion kit. So I posted a little teaser of it. I got a lot of people asking questions about what it was online, so I'm going to explain it to you. Basically what it does is it takes your 5.56 or 223 AR and converts it to 22 instantly. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, I'm running this SLR Rifleworks AR with a Silencer Co. Saker 5.56K. I've got 3 rounds loaded into it real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some 5.56. Here we go. So 5.56 is done. All you're gonna do for your 22 is load up pull your bolt out. All you do is going to pull your bolt out, slide your CMMG 22 LR conversion kit bolt in to replace, and grab your mag, and you're ready to go.